Hi friends, welcome to BryceBradleyTV. We are going to be making pine cone bird feeders today.
Yay!
What are the things that we need to make these bird feeders, guys?
String, need peanut butter, and pine cones, and the pine cone.
All right.
String.
Whoa, it's blowing away. We are having a windy day. Okay, so let's go ahead and get started here, if we can. Okay, let's see if we can do this. So each of you need a knife.
I don't have a knife.
Yeah, you have a knife, and Bryce will have a knife. Let's see. Okay, hold on. Let me mix it up.
Okay. Actually, this is actually chocolate peanut butter. We'll mix it up.
Yes, I don't think the birds will mind if this is a chocolate version. I think the peanut butter is mainly just to get it to stick.
Yeah. Now, actually, that's kind of yucky.
Does it look kind of yucky?
Yeah, it's kind of
Smells
yummy.
good.
And yummy.
Okay, so
Another way to make it the pine cones
Okay.
is because we only have a bird feeder, but it won't, so we put out a plate.
So Bryce, why don't you go ahead and use this knife with some peanut butter on it and get it all on the pine cone. We're going to try to smear it all around the pine cone and then on these inner parts as well so the birds can really dig in there. Here, Brad, let me get you some peanut butter on your knife.
I have to do it.
You want to do it? Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. Here, let's
And we'll just roll around the pine cone. Actually, I ran off.
Okay, let me get you some more.
So we have 4 pine cones. We're gonna make all the pine cones, right?
Mm-hmm. Oh, you know what I forgot to do first was I forgot to put the string on it first.
But
So maybe I need to do that on the others while you guys go ahead and get some more peanut butter on there. And I'll put the string on the others.
but this would be just a peanut butter taste off.
Mm-hmm.
We got 4 flying TV and we have pine cones.
Okay, so here's one that has a string on it. And we just tied the string on the top of the
This
pine
is a
cone.
pretty messy job, and it's a pretty really messy pine cone job. So
Okay, let me get this on here first before we do any more.
yeah. This is a messy job. It's a really messy job. Well, it's okay, because we're going to be messy hands, and we're actually going to wash our hands when we get it, right, Mom?
Yes, we will wash our hands when we're done.